with Easter tomorrow, so today is Saturday, 8 April 2023. I'm filming this. I have cousins from Minnesota in town, and they're coming back tomorrow, Easter. So that's not Sunday, 9 April 2023. We're gonna do Easter egg hunt, and so we have candy to put in the Easter eggs. And my dad opened one of the bags of candy yesterday, and he's like, "You can have some if you want." And so I had some, and I was like, I should do this for sweeties because it's, I think it's pretty seasonal candy, at least here. And it's Brach's classic jelly bird eggs. So they're jelly candy in the shape of little bird eggs. So jelly bird eggs, that's a reference to the shape. And one serving size is about 14 servings per container, 10 pieces, 110 calories. So we're gonna do 10 pieces. So here's the packaging. It's Brach's classic jelly bird eggs. So there's a green one, white one, an orange one. And they are actually kind of, let's see, we're gonna get a spread on the colors. Just stick it up my nose. I think it's a black. Not like a dark blue, but like, yellow, so that's 5. Pink, 6, 7, red. Purple, 8. Oh, we'll do another pink one. This one's a different shape. 9, pink. And I'm making sure I'm not missing any colors. I can't remember. I tend to like the green things. So, like green flash. 10. Alright, so let's go through. Red. Cinnamon. That's good. It's sweeter and more flavorful than like some of the bean-shaped jelly candies. All right, so this is the black one. Ooh, licorice. These are very flavorful. And I can tell, at least with those first two, what the flavors. All right, pink. It's like a finger. It's, you know what? Instead of an egg, it's the beak and the head, the little chicken coming out of the egg. Strawberry? I still taste the licorice from the last one. I think it's strawberry. I'm going to do another pink one. I think it's strawberry. Might be watermelon, but I think that's strawberry. It's a more subtle flavor than the first two. All right, up next is green. That tastes like a lime. Like a lemon lime. It doesn't actually list the flavors on the bag. I think that one tastes like a lemon lime. This one does too, like a Sierra Mist. Some glass, not sour apple. It's different. All right, so we're 6 in, 4 to go. These are different flavors. Well, let's see what yellow is. If green is lemon, lime, or lime, it's yellow. Lemon. This is excellent as a jelly candy. I don't have them very often, but I do have them. All right, orange. Even tastes citrusy. Tastes like orange. I wasn't sure. I was like, if they're classic bird eggs, jelly bird eggs, and this is in the theme of, they have a bird egg, maybe it'll be a, oh, that's not a bird though. I was gonna say maybe it's a carrot for like the Easter bunny, but that's the wrong. Rodents don't lay eggs. Birds do. All right. I have no idea what flavor this would be. It's not vanilla. It's like sour sugar, but not like sour. That is excellent. I could eat a bag of those, but I probably shouldn't. All right, last one, purple. Grape. I'm very impressed with the it is the boldness of the flavors, maybe? Intensity of the flavors. That's excellent. I like those two. I think of the flavors, of those flavors I tried for those colors, I like the purple. I like the grape. Yeah, I love grape flavored candies. Yeah, so actually the grape, the purple, I like. And what would I give that? The batch, I would give a 14 out of 10. Yeah. And I guess because it's the sweet of the classic flavors, yeah, I'll stick with that. With the best being a 20 out of 10 for the grape. I wouldn't give them all a 14 out of 10. However, I will give the batch a 14 out of 10 because part of why I like things like grape or this sour sugar is because the other stuff isn't a 20 out of 10 for my palate. It helps, like, it adds diversity to my palate, and I get to enjoy flavors that I might not normally choose. That's the nice thing about assorted flavors, is I get to eat things that I might not normally choose, and I actually enjoy those things, which is good for me. So 14 out of 10. Fortunately, there's seasonal candy in these parts, at least at this point in time. And we have this bag. This is like our munching bag. We have a whole nother bag for the Easter eggs in the Easter egg hunt tomorrow. Happy sweet eats.